Hi there, Rashidram here today. Listening skills is very important in language acquisition because the purpose of language acquisition is to be able to understand the words of others and to be able to explain one's emotions and feelings to others. But there are some specific methods to develop listening skills. First of all, for example, you need to identify what level your listening skill is. After that, you will have to select listening comprehension a little harder than your current level to improve listening skills. But this must be done very carefully because if listening comprehension is easier than your current level, then your listening skill will not improve. Again, if your listening comprehension is much more harder than your current level, then you will not understand anything there, and chances are very high that at some point you will lose interest. So, if you can select listening comprehension according to your current level, then you can improve listening skills very easily. But first, you need to select a small audio clip, and this must be according to your interest to hold the consistency. After that, relatively large audio clip must be selected in stages. In the next video, I will describe all the top sectors of improving listening skills very soon. So to get the video, stay with his method spoken English. Bye bye for now.